Welcome to TDS Online Math. All right, let's see how we can solve this question together. We are given x cubed minus 12x plus 16 equal to 0. Solution. So we have x cubed minus 12x plus 16 equal to 0. Now, from here, you can choose to represent this one by f of x, then look for the first factor and then go through the division process to get the other factors. But I want to use different method here. So what I'm going to do now is to send the 16 to the other side. That will be x cubed minus 12x equals to minus 16. All right. Now, we know we have something cubed minus something equals this. So let's form something cube here minus something. So what we are going to do is to replace this minus 16 here. Now, if I write 8 minus 24 is the same as minus 16. So what I'm going to do here is to replace minus 16 with 8 minus 24. So I can write the 8 as 2 to the power 3, which will match with x cubed. As simple as that. So I have x cubed minus 12x equals to, so we have 8 minus 24. We can say that this one got that. Okay, from here we can write 8 as 2 to the power 3. So we can write this one as 2 to the power 3 minus 24. 12x x cubed, then we have minus here. Now let's send this one in. Okay, now I want to arrive at difference of cubes when we're given a cube minus b cube is the same as a minus b, and we have a squared minus ab plus b squared. That's that. So when we're given something like this, we can arrange it as x cubed minus 2 cubed. Okay, so minus 12x plus 24 equal to 0. So we have this. So we can write this one as x minus 2. Then we have x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared 4. Then we have minus 12x plus 24 equals to 0. All right. Now we can write this one as x minus 2. Okay, so we have x squared plus 2x plus 4. And this side we can make it minus 12 out, x minus 2, okay, equals to 0. So let's close this one. Okay, so we have this one times that. Now we can do some amendment here, we can factorize x minus 2 here. Okay, so we have x minus 2. Okay, let me remove the bracket first. So we have x minus 2, and we have this. So we'll be left with x squared plus 2x plus 4 minus 12. Okay, equals to 0. So in going back, this one multiply this and multiply that. So I've done nothing. So with the 0 product, x minus 2 equal to 0, or x squared plus 2x. So we have minus 8 equal to 0 this side. So x minus 2 equal to 0, x is 2. So the first solution is x equals to 2. Now let's look at the other solutions. X squared plus 2x minus 8. X squared plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. So you have minus 8. So let's find two numbers when we multiply them to give us minus 8. And when we add to give us coefficient of x. So minus 2 and 4. Okay. When we add to be plus 2, but when we multiply to be minus 8. So we have x squared, then to be minus 2x plus 4x. This side will be 2x minus 8 equal to 0. So we have x out, x minus 2. So we have plus 4, x minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 2, x plus 4 equal to 0. So x minus 2, x plus 2, this side will be 2, and then we have minus 4. So we have a repeated value here, x equals to x equals 2, and we have x equals minus 4. So we have repeated value, x equals 2, okay, repeated value, then x equals to minus 4. Alright, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. Alright, so thanks for watching.